Showcasing our automatic hydro tester from Mercury. So this hydro tester is PLC controlled with all the pressure gauges, drain valve and a printer also to record the data. So as you can see in the panel, you will have the test pressure, what you want to set, what is the actual pressure, how long you want to test it for, and what is the min and max range required. You can do all the settings in the settings screen, and there's data logging also, as in all the data can be logged and taken on a USB drive. So we'll go back to home screen and show the testing procedure. We can do pressure testing, cyclic testing, burst testing in the system. We'll go with pressure testing. Okay, so the pressure set at 50 bar. So what we do is first the drain valve is open. Umesh, yeah. So first the drain valve is open. We'll start the pump. It is starting pressurizing, and I'll close the drain valve. You see the pressure reached 53 bar. Now it is measuring the drop down, the countdown. You can see the cycle time, how it's counting down. Once it finishes the countdown, it's saying the component is okay because the pressure did not drop. And at the same time, your print came out of the pressure of all the parameters, your test pressure, what are the high pressure limit, low pressure limit, and hold time. So you can even put a batch code if required. Once this is done, you drain the pressure, it goes back out, and you can set for the next. Start again. Pump started reciprocating. Lock the drain valve. Once it reaches a set pressure, the countdown starts. And here you can see the printout will come after the stroke. Yeah, all the data is coming. Now we'll create a leak. So I'll show you. We'll drain the valve, pressure drop, start it again. So as you can see, pressure reached, cycle testing started. Now I'll open the drain valve to create a leak. Here, I'll show this. Yeah, I opened the drain valve, component leakage because the pressure dropped below the set range, and the printout also came that it will come component okay, not okay. So this is how the automatic pressure testing works.